Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. Another promise kept by Brad Garland's house. The appropriate celebration of triumph, he believes, should take place on September 29th. New York, how I long to visit you, the Big Apple has my heart. And I really want to go out and have fun with everyone. Until October 15th, I will be working non-stop. I'm going to have to pass on this event, but I want to hear and see more about it afterwards. I think you've earned it. I'm looking forward to meeting everyone, and I guarantee I'll be able to make it to one of these gatherings sometime. But it is undeniable that you have earned a party. Looking forward to it immensely. It was declared today. Does a how even work for this? I have no idea. Side chain, or the hook side chain as we'll refer to it here. Who will review and analyze this white paper now that it has been published? But I can tell you this, if there are some amazing tools and some truly awesome apps, people will start getting really enthused about it. XRP Plus, the name of the token that will trade on this new side chain, might be a fantastic investment opportunity for me if, and you're not supposed to talk about this, it has a high market value. It's going to make me very happy. All I can say is that these are really talented programmers, and I have no doubt that they will surprise you. Currently, there is tension. My pal on Ledger has already gone on record as claiming it's not a coincidence that the XRP celebrations marketing push kicked off around the same time as the Embrace sidechain report in white. Repairing the damage is being done. And I'll tell you this much, there is competition and disagreement. But as investors, we need not concern ourselves with such matters. Nothing to lose if, in the best case, we get a new chain with some amazing applications and capabilities. Even if the worst case scenario occurs, here is most likely where they will try out concepts that will be rolled into the main ledger. As an investor and a consumer of blockchain technology, I believe we can all benefit. And if they have a healthy dose of competitive tension between them, I think the outcome will be positive. My advice is to not put too much stock into it. We can expect some infighting, but it won't amount to much. Excellent human beings populate both camps. In my opinion, this will only increase the value of both ledgers. I see things exactly like that. If you're not interested in using /invest and XRP Plus, I'm going to assume you're attempting to discourage others from doing so. The point is not to make a profit. Believe it or not, all you have to do is say, look, we're going to trade cryptocurrency, and it will. Not everyone is enthusiastic, though, only 26% of the population is so at the moment. My new account has only 98 votes, thus my posts will not reach a wider audience. However, it does show us why the buzz is lacking in this area. Similar to what we saw with Flare and other new chains, in part, I assume, due to the lack of airdrop and free money. However, if it's good, people will be eager to act quickly. And I hope for the best. So after we launch, we'll be able to monitor the supply, how much is really on the market trading, and how many tokens are already on that network and don't need to be transferred over. What use is it then, anyway? And it will inform me if it's worth investing in at that time. Again, this development is cause for optimism about the prospects for XRP Plus and the house side chain, to give it its current nomenclature. But I can't even guess how well this will work. We'll have to wait and see how it develops after that item gets launched. What a peculiar turn the narrative has taken. Bitcoin, in its essence, has been terminated from Bitcoin's cryptocurrency, what gives? And they're bringing up issues like substance misuse as an excuse. I won't try to guess what happened. This is all I'll say. There are issues that affect each of us. If there's any truth to it, please try to find someone who can assist the young man. All of us make up one huge group. And I pray that he will be able to rely on that. And if he does require assistance, I have my doubts as to whether he actually receives it. Outside of that, I mean, he's got a big team over there, and there are investors and all that. Getting fired and separating from them is probably the best thing for him right now. For the simple reason that without Ben, that channel is certain to fail. And if Ben could simply go ahead and start his own business with all these other people, taking a cut, taking a portion of his money, he would come out ahead in the end. At this point in time, everything revolves around Ben and whether or not the rumors are true. If so, I'm confident that he can overcome this obstacle once again if he relaunches the project without the interference of any of the aforementioned parties. If he can do it once, he probably can do it again. However, in my opinion, Bitcoin Crypto the channel cannot succeed without him, as he is the main attraction and primary factor in the currency's value. If what they're claiming is true, then I'd do whatever it takes to get him the care he needs, knowing full well that doing so is my ticket to a steady income. Very bizarre story out there for a BitBoy, but he's the one bringing in the views and cashing in on them. No one will be interested in the recipe. Hopefully he can get through this and either start a new channel or regain control of his existing one, because this is insane. Hugo has announced that starting September 5th, there will be a whole new Flare space. And I have to tell you, we're way past takeoff. There has been no instability. I have faith that there are improvements to this network on the horizon, something of consequence. No announcements have been made regarding the use of this floor. But I anticipate that time will come very soon. This is, after all, the natural conclusion of the preceding steps. You need to get the network up and running, and we've had no issues with airdrop after airdrop. No one seems to have any problems there. This is long overdue. Therefore, I am still in the dark. I have no idea if there will be any sort of announcement on September 5th. If not, though, I have a feeling that huge things from Flare are on the horizon. I am buying more and more because I believe we represent good value even when the price drops. And I think this network is going to be very successful. Was dissatisfied with the initial airdrop, the one that started it all. But now that we're through that, it appears like things are rather calm and problem-free. Creating a blockchain for a bill is not a simple task. If we can get over that, though, everything should remain stable from here on out. Flare has great potential, in my opinion. Finally, I posted this graph, but I didn't include XRP. For the simple reason that if I bring XRP up for a vote, it will get unanimous support. The question: if you had to put your entire portfolio into just one coin for the next bull run, would it be IDAP? Doesn't tell me anything much. Ethereum, XLM, and HBAR, I didn't think the theory would fly, but I wanted to see how it stacked up against ADA XLM. Check out that half. Slightly more than half of those who voted thought HBARs are the best option. 25% on XLM, 10% on ADA is shockingly low. The people in my video confirm what I'm telling you, it's a con. It's a network where no one can be seen. All of the above apply. Real work is being done over there. I'm not going to tell you that it loads all of your investment data and portfolio. That's not what this is about. However, I wouldn't focus on that because I anticipate excellent opportunities to purchase. As one of the top chains in the globe, month after month, I believe it is primed for a nice bull run once we start going again. That, is crucial in terms of sustained improvement. It seems to be well designed from the ground up for scalability and the addition of new features. And ADA is not someone I'd want to sleep with. Since I don't have a HBAR, I have one question for you: should I be considering a squat instead? He had been telling me for a long time about Billy, the XRP cowboy. This is a chain, without wells, that needs to be taken seriously. Absolutely not. He seems to have picked up some Billy Joel wisdom. His current obsession is HBAR. And here I am, sitting, with none. Can someone tell me if I'm wrong? Leave a comment telling me if you think I should check this age limit. Do I risk losing money by not include any in my portfolio? Please subscribe if you enjoy this, and hit that like button. See you later, bye.